DTS Monaco 9, programming solution for newer Mercedes-Benz models. Today, many technicians are facing difficulties when working with the latest Mercedes-Benz models such as W223, W206, W214, or W254. The older DTS Monaco 8.16 cannot properly work with these vehicles because it does not support the Zenzefi Certificate. In this video, I will introduce DTS Monaco 9, a newer version that allows technicians to work with modern Mercedes-Benz platforms. DTS Monaco is an engineering software used for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. It provides advanced access to vehicle control units, allowing technicians and engineers to perform tasks such as advanced diagnostics, ECU coding, flash programming, system configuration. DTS Monaco 9 is the updated version that supports Zenzefi Certificate, making it compatible with the newest Mercedes vehicle architectures. Kurztest, quick test. The Kurztest, also known as quick test, allows technicians to scan all ECUs in the vehicle quickly. This is usually the first step in diagnostics, providing an overview of the entire electronic system of the vehicle. This section includes ECU list, ECU identification. 2. Diagnosis services. In the diagnosis services section, technicians can access detailed diagnostic functions within each ECU. This includes ECU list, ECU variant, input window, result of process. 3. Variant coding. One of the most powerful features of DTS Monaco is variant coding. This function allows technicians to modify vehicle configuration by changing specific parameters inside the ECU. This section includes ECU section, ECU domain section, file function for ECU coding, ECU coding description, ECU coding strings, start coding process. 4. Flash programming. DTS Monaco also supports ECU Flash programming. This function allows technicians to download firmware or flash data directly to the ECU, which is useful for updating or restoring control unit software. ECU list, session, flash process. 5. Diagnostic Trouble Code. DTS Monaco also allows technicians to read, analyze, and clear diagnostic trouble codes, commonly known as DTCs, directly from the ECU memory. ECU list selection, setting and filter, read AMD clear font, DTC list. 6. Complete vehicle coding. Another advanced feature is complete vehicle coding. This function allows technicians to read and write the entire coding data of the vehicle, ensuring configuration consistency across all control units. VIN, read and write file, reading process, ECU list. One of the biggest advantages of DTS Monaco 9 is its compatibility with the Zenzefi Certificate. By using DTS Monaco 9 together with the Zenzefi Certificate, technicians can continue performing advanced tasks on these newer vehicles. In the next video, we will explain in more detail the advantages of using DTS Monaco 9 when working with these newer Mercedes-Benz models. In summary, DTS Monaco 9 is an essential tool for technicians working with modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles. By combining DTS Monaco 9 with the Zenzefi Certificate, workshops can continue performing advanced coding, ECU programming, and system configuration on the latest Mercedes platforms. If you're interested in Mercedes diagnostics, coding, and engineering tools like DTS, Monaco, and Zenzefi, make sure to follow this channel for more technical tutorials and professional guides.